Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to prove that sin theta cos q theta minus cos theta into sin theta equal to 1 by 4 sin 4 theta. So let's take the LHS left hand side. So here sin theta, now next cos q theta, thereafter cos theta sin q theta. So this term and this term, there is sin theta and cos theta is the common. So let's take the common point. Sin theta into cos theta is the common. Now here it become cos square theta, now sin square theta. Thereafter the next is I'm going to multiply 2 with numerator and denominator. So after that it become, so here the formula for sin 2 theta 2 sin theta into cos theta. So in place of this we can write sin 2 theta. So here write sin 2 theta divided by 2. Now there is a formula for cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So in place of this we can write cos 2 theta. Now hereafter the next is that become sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. So if I multiply 2 on the numerator, so we need to multiply 2 with denominator. Now here again this term that comes sin here 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. If I make that here 2 into 2 theta, then that become 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. So in place of this we can write here sin 4 theta. So here above we can write so sin 4 theta, and thereafter 2 into 2, that become 4. So this we need to get. So finally I got. So here LHS equal to RHS, proved. So only you need to remember two formulas, cos sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta 2 sin theta into cos theta, and cos 2 theta cos square theta minus sin square theta. So in place of this we can write cos. Hereafter 2 sin theta, that becomes sin 2 theta. Here sin and cos it come again, theta is the different, here 2 is there. So here for sin 4 theta we can write 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. Okay, so in place of this we can write sin 4. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.